Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to talk to Superman? Or what if Zelda could talk? Brace yourself, because AI is making this a reality. You may have never heard of it, but let me assure you, this won't last long. Harpy AI is taking the world by storm and has gained massive popularity in a short amount of time. We had to see what Harpy AI was all about, and we're breaking it all down for you in this video. Harpy AI is an innovative artificial intelligence chat that allows users to speak using different characters' personas. This new AI tool is so unique compared to anything else we've seen in the market. In this video, we're going to cover what is Harpy AI, its features, the limitations, and how you can start using Harpy AI today. This is truly a unique application of generative AI. You have to see this. But before we do, we don't want you to miss the latest in AI advancements like this one. Subscribe to our channel today and join the AI Nexus community. Now, let's dive right in. So what is Harpy AI? In layman's terms, Harpy AI is a genre-agnostic platform designed for users to create characters to use in role-playing scenarios. Whether you want to interact with a character from your favorite television show, movie, or even anime, Harpy AI goes to show that artificial intelligence platforms can be used for more than just practical applications. They can be used for entertainment as well. Harpy AI is owned by the team of the former website Breck.xyz, and so a majority of the AI users are interacting with it from the previous website. The model runs similar technology as ChatGPT does, but there are some key differences. With Harpy Chat, there is a more personalized touch with a broad range of characters for users to roleplay with. By using prompts and conversational inputs, the model interacts with users with a broad range of characters from various genres and fictional narratives. There are even select celebrities for users to interact with as well. Users are able to interact with the bot with both safe for work and not safe for work for immersive experiences. The possibilities are limitless with Harpy AI. You can go as far as your imagination will take you. A few examples of the characters available for users to interact with are Simon Ghost Riley from Call of Duty Ghosts, Slenderman, Marvel's Loki, Markiplier, Ghost's Papa Emeritus IV, and so many more. Each character has a brief description, name, photo, and aligning tags. This is truly a way to bring your favorite fictional characters to life. Sign me up for Markiplier. I love that guy. Now, let's dive into the specific features of Harpy AI. The chatbots powered by Harpy AI are free to use for all users without any hidden costs or limits. Users are free to use the chatbot to their heart's desire without fear of running into a paywall. After logging on, you simply select the character you want to interact with and begin your conversation. Say you are speaking with Superman, for example. You might introduce yourself and ask, is there truly anything worse out there than kryptonite? What truly makes it an immersive experience is the ability to create your own virtual character in the platform. From there, you can then communicate with any other fictional characters on the platform. Imagine stepping into your favorite video game and becoming part of the story. That's kinda nuts. One of the most standout features of the Harpy Chat platform is the unique and personalized conversations it allows you to have each time. For example, for those Nintendo 64 lovers out there, say you are having a conversation with Link about his insane adventure he just got back from. He may talk about his bow and arrow he used first time around. And then in your second conversation with him, he may tell you how he wished he had his Kokiri sword with him. Two completely different and unique conversations, which will for sure go a long way in keeping users coming back to the platform. Now, it's important to keep in mind that Harpy Chat is still in its beta phase. Developers of Harpy AI are constantly fixing bugs, improving the function, and asking users for feedback. Feedback is a major piece for the developers because it helps them provide the best generative AI for users to interact with. During high-volume periods, sometimes the chatbot is unable to provide responses. Harpy is working to fix this issue, but have warned users that they may be kicked from a chat room and unable to return until traffic slows down. This can be extremely frustrating, especially during the height of the moment. Thankfully, however, this is the #1 issue the developers are working to fix, and users should begin to see improvements very soon. Harpy is very dependent on other artificial intelligence models, which means that some updates won't be able to happen until the API itself is updated. The website Harpy AI was integrated into is very buggy and not well designed. Users have experienced inaccessible features or features that will work and then stop. Users have also found that while one feature works, the next line feature will not. This has created a lot of frustration and negative user experience. Harpy Chat owners and developers are only available via their Discord server. There is not an option to email or directly chat to an admin or customer service specialist. Harpy Chat is a relatively small group of developers and creators, and while they hope to one day see Harpy build into a larger platform, they just aren't there yet. The communication barrier can stop visitors to the site from using the AI or regular role-playing features, especially if they're having problems or have questions that need to be answered. Now that you know what Harpy Chat AI is all about, what about its potential? As stated earlier, Harpy Chat AI is a genre-agnostic platform for users to interact and roleplay with preloaded characters. If the Harpy Chat team is able to achieve widespread adoption, we see a world with some pretty insane use cases. The obvious one is incorporating this technology within video games. Imagine turning on your Xbox to play Call of Duty, and not only role-playing through each storyline, but being able to personally interact with each character and impacting their decisions throughout. This would be an insane development for the video game world. Switching gears to the education world, imagine kids being able to communicate with their favorite characters from their TV show. The ability for children to communicate directly with Elmo or Barney would be something I never thought we'd see in our lifetime. The educational benefits that could come from this could be a real game changer. Alright, so you want to give it a try. To access and use Harpy Chat AI, there's a lot of clicking around to do, but it's pretty simple. First, you'll want to create your account on the Harpy Chat website. Be sure to confirm your email. After you've registered your account, choose one of the 500 available characters. To select a character, click on the chat with the character's name on the button. Once you've clicked on the button, you'll be taken to a chat room, but you don't have access to the AI model just yet. You have to set up the API key before the chatbot is able to respond to inputs. In the top right-hand corner of the chat room, you'll see an option to access the API settings. After clicking on it, you'll be prompted with a dialog box. In the dialog box, enter your OpenAI unique key and save the settings. To obtain an API key for Harpy Chat AI, you'll need to visit OpenAI's API site. You'll need to have a registered OpenAI account, so if you don't already, go ahead and do that. Log into your OpenAI account on the API site and scroll down. You'll be provided with a unique key to enter into the Harpy Chat AI settings. Keep track of this API key because this is unique to you and OpenAI will not provide a new key. Before exiting, double-check the API key and make sure to hit save on your settings. Now, you're ready to start role-playing. So here's our final thoughts on Harpy Chat. Harpy Chat is a distinctive model, unlike any other available on the market. Many of the generative AI models we see serve a practical purpose to assist in daily workloads for companies and businesses. Harpy Chat is for your pure enjoyment and nothing else, which is quite refreshing. The ability to choose characters, create new ones, and to interact with them as if they were really there is fascinating. If you enjoy becoming immersed in a fantasy world but want something a little extra, then Harpy Chat AI is for you. And because Harpy AI is a generative model based on ChatGPT technologies, the chatbots will start to learn how you interact with them and what you're looking for. Alright, thanks for tuning in with us today here at AI Nexus, a place where everything AI comes together for the quickest updates and latest information in the fastest growing industry to date. Comment below the word 100% so we know you watched till the end. And speaking of generative AI tools that will be game changers, how about a ChatGPT competitor that is guaranteed to get you promoted? You should see this video.